go over number 24. Number 24 on page 377 says, determine each product. Product is what math operation class? Multiply. So here is multiplication. Let's pretend it's something we're familiar with for number 24. Let's pretend it is 4x plus 5 times 4x minus 5. There's a couple of ways you can do this problem. Because you are multiplying, some students like to use FOIL in this case. Raise your hand if you know what FOIL is and you normally use that. Keep using it. Okay? What I've shown you in this class is the box. Okay? Let me show it to you, the box. The blurry. Come on, $700 camera. Alright, there it is. So, I'm going to draw a box. And it's actually a way to just keep us organized. And it doesn't matter which method you're going to do. You're going to multiply first. Everyone say multiply. And then the next thing we'll do is add. Everyone say add. Now, let's write these here on the sides. So, 4i minus 5, you can write here at the top, or you could have written on the side. It does not matter. The order doesn't matter because of the commutative property of multiplication. 4i plus 5. Let's go ahead and multiply together, class. 4i times 4i is 16i squared. Remember, when you're multiplying the same base, you are essentially adding the exponents. So that would be I to the 1 plus 1, and that's why it becomes I to the second power. Class 4i times negative 5. Class 4i times 5. And 5 times negative 5. Now, we've just multiplied. Now we're going to add. So, the terms that I got are 16i squared, negative 20i, positive 20i, and minus 25. Here is the hardest part. Partner A tell partner B, what do you know about I squared? On the count of 3, ready? 1, 2, 3. I is equal to the square root of negative 1. If you square both sides, I squared equals negative 1. Might be helpful for you to write that on your formula sheet, your chapter 4 formula sheet for this next Monday's test. So I'm going to write 16 times negative 1. Remember, this is not subtraction because you have multiplication here. Negative 20 and a positive 20. When I cancel these, this equals 0i. And then I have the minus 25. So 16 times negative 1 is negative 16. Negative 16 minus 25 equals negative 41. So the big idea in this problem is you will use FOIL or box to multiply. You'll multiply, then add, and then the hardest part is I squared equals negative 1.